Hi, this is Don McAllister and welcome to another weekly tip video. Now, not a product this week, but another web-based service that can help you keep track of your expenditure. As more and more services and apps are moving to a subscription-based model, it can be really difficult to keep track of them all. TrackMySubs.com is really aimed at small businesses, but if you have a lot of personal subscriptions, it might be something useful. Basically, TrackMySubs allows you to enter all your subscriptions and to review and assess just how much they're costing you, as well as being able to set up optional alerts before each subscription becomes due. Now, there is a free limited tier, but ironically, TrackMySubs is itself a subscription-based service if you want to use it seriously, with a basic level of $6 a month. However, if it saves you money in the long run, it might well be worth the investment. This is the main page of TrackMySubs.com. You can start from here if you want. You can add subscriptions using this button, no credit card required. If we just skip down though to the bottom, there is a pricing section. So this is the starter pack. You can track up to 10 subscriptions for free. That includes the alerts and a limited amount of folders for organizational purposes. If you want to track more than 10 subscriptions, there are Starter Plus, Entrepreneur and Unlimited options here as well. But let's go ahead and start adding subscriptions using the free option. So an option to use your Google account or email address. I'll use my email address. Now, there are some common subscriptions that people want to keep track of, such as Netflix, Amazon Prime, Spotify, etc. It does give you the option to start adding some straight away. Let's go ahead and add Netflix, and we'll add Spotify as well. Done. Let's go. You need to enter your email address. This is where they will send the reminder alerts and also use as your account logon. Okay, we'll hit next. We'll put our name in and we'll use a strong password. I'm not a robot. Fill in some captures, verify. And then it's probably worth reading the terms of use and privacy policy, but I'll go ahead and just hit the checkbox and say, let's go. Okay, so let's get this party started. I'm going to use Great British Pounds, and my time zone I'm going to set to UTC -1. So if I just scroll down to, let's have a look, in fact UTC +1, and save and continue. Now there are some additional things you can do here, but we'll leave those for now. We'll just say close. And I need to check my email for a verification email. So let me just go ahead and do that. That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from ScreenCastsOnline. ScreenCastsOnline is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only ScreenCastsOnline Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital ScreenCastsOnline monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit ScreenCastsOnline.com today and become a ScreenCastsOnline member.